In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to report someone on chess.com quickly and correctly. Whether you're dealing with cheating, abusive behavior, or stalling, this step-by-step guide will help you take action in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open chess.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're ready in, navigate to the player you want to report. You can do this from a recent game, the leaderboard, or by searching their username directly. When you find the player, click on their username or their profile picture. This will open their profile card or full profile page. Now, look for the three dots icon, usually located near their profile information. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the option that says Report. This will open the reporting window where you can submit your complaint. Next, you'll need to choose the reason for your report. Chess.com provides several categories such as cheating, abuse, stalling, or other violations. Make sure you pick the option that best matches the behavior you experienced. If there's a text box available, you can also add extra details to help the moderation team understand the situation better. This can be really useful if the issue isn't obvious from the game data alone. Once you've selected the reason and added any extra details, go ahead and click the report button to submit it. That's it. Your report has now been sent to chess.com's support team for review. They'll investigate and take appropriate action if necessary. Just a quick tip, only report players when it's genuinely necessary. False or spam reports can slow down the system and affect real cases. And there you have it. That's how to report someone on chess.com step by step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.